Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. What do we have for you guys? It's a very interesting project. It's a Skyline 1999. The guy, he want to put GTR quarter panels, GTR wings, so basically we have to convert that car to GTR. The reason is he got a GTR but he want a rear wheel only, so that's the reason he bought the GTT Skyline and convert it to GTR. So we got that wing here, we have to fit it into that car. Of course, come a little bit different from the bottom, as you can see, but this is, it's us to cut it and to make it look as a GTR conversion. So all that quarter panel has to come off. Of course, windows has to come off. We have to cut the quarter panel and put these. Petro flap being bought, even the backlights covers as well, because come different. So this is the wider quarter panels on this, and then that's the back bumper as well. By the way, all the parts are genuine from the main dealer. There is nothing copy parts. This is the bonnet. I love the bonnet. Wow, bonnet absolutely nice. So this is the bonnet as well. It's not the origin. This is the bonnet is not original, but it's a very top quality. So this side as well. Of course, that car, it's not going to stay blue. So that's what we got for you guys. what we've done now, take the quarter back off, and then we cut the inner wheel arch and we extend it 5 centimeters, and then we put some reinforcement, just like to put the quarter and take it off again, just to have a look where we're standing. And as you can see, this is the good idea to figure out how the quarter gonna sit. Then if you see from inside, just edge to edge, sitting absolutely fine, perfect. All what we have to do now, we have to cut a piece of metal and then start welding it, and we'll have a very good wheel arch without any struggle. As you can see guys here, edge to edge, So when we drill a hole here to get a MIG weld, so this is that how it's supposed to be, edge to edge, touching each other, no gap. That how it's supposed to be, no gap at all. Spot weld proper. Here we're gonna MIG weld it. We have to continuous MIG welding. As you can see, a spot weld here. That how it's supposed to be. Proper neat welding.